Look at these two screens. On the left, we have the stressful reality of manually refreshing a $950 flight search. On the right, the peace of mind that comes with a simple automated alert locking in that exact same flight for $320. Welcome to Adventures and Abodes. I'm Kelly Bennett, and today we are skipping the generic travel inspiration. Instead, we are stepping into the logistics lab to build a repeatable system that protects your travel budget. To set up this system, you only need two things: an active Google account and a specific set of travel dates. We are doing this because of the sticker price trap. The initial advertised rate you see on a search engine is designed to look cheap, but it is almost never the final cost you pay at checkout. Relying on travel inspiration or last-minute deals leaves you vulnerable to algorithmic pricing. By adopting a step-by-step, data-driven approach, you remove the guesswork and force the booking platforms to work for you. Step 1. Log out of guest mode, and make sure you are signed in to your Google account. If you search anonymously, none of your tracking data will save. Next, input your exact destination and travel dates into Google Flights. This gives the system its initial pricing baseline. Now, look just above your search results and turn on this toggle labeled Track Prices. The moment you activate that switch, Google's algorithms take over. They will continuously monitor the airline's revenue systems in the background and automatically email you the second the price drops. This chart shows the historical pricing data for your route. Before you step away, check where your current price sits on this graph. If the data shows you are already in the green low zone, you can book right away. If it's high, let the tracker do its job. Setting this alert shifts the entire dynamic. You no longer have to waste hours feeling anxious about missing a deal. You become a strategic buyer who only logs in when the algorithm tells you the price is right. Now let's apply this logic to hotels, where we have to deal with the friction tax. Third-party booking sites will often display artificially deflated search results to grab your attention and beat out their competitors. To find the real cost, ignore that initial search page. Click all the way through to the final checkout screen before you even consider entering your credit card. Once you reach the checkout page, look for the Price Details section and click right here on the Taxes and Fees drop-down menu. This is exactly where the platforms bury the extra costs. You will frequently find a mandatory resort fee tucked into this list. As you can see, adding a $35 daily resort fee drastically increases your final total for a week-long stay. Take that fully audited final price and compare it directly to the hotel's own website. Often, booking direct avoids the third-party markup entirely. If you book a room based only on the initial search results, you are choosing to pay a premium for convenience. Running this simple checkout audit protects you from hidden margin padding. This timeline shows how hotel revenue algorithms manage inventory. They typically release their deepest discounts during this specific window, between 60 and 28 days before check-in. To take advantage of that, book your room months in advance, but strictly filter your search for penalty-free, fully refundable reservations. This locks in your maximum baseline rate. Do not click the prepaid non-refundable option. Saving a few dollars today destroys your ability to negotiate when the algorithm drops prices later. Now, you wait. When we hit that 60 to 28-day window, you will be monitoring the hotel's prices. When the algorithm eventually slashes the rate to fill empty rooms, you are ready. You immediately log in, cancel your original fully refundable baseline reservation, and instantly rebook the exact same room at the new, lower rate. The cancel and rebook loop lets you use the hotel's own revenue management system to your advantage. You secure a guaranteed room early while continuously dropping your own floor price without carrying any risk. You now have a complete, repeatable system. You know how to automate your flight tracking and bypass deceptive hotel pricing traps. To make sure you execute this perfectly, I've compiled these steps into the Booking Hotels Smarter mini ebook and the Mastering Google Flights checklist. You can download the full guides using the link in the description right now. Traveling smarter doesn't require insider connections or hours of endless searching. It just requires using the right data.